Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Mr. Danar and my friends. We are from Group 2. We are presented our project, Plant Disease Management with Regulations. Before we start our present, let me introduce our group. Let me first, my name is Sasya Maharani with 077 and my team Irvansah with 056, Duratul Fadhila 063, Andhika 065, Berliansya Delvara PP 081, Salsabila Nur Faizati 0x7, and last Layre Putri Rinanti 088. Regulation from the government are made with the aim of controlling or eradicating pathogens that have just entered a new area or eradication, and effort to prevent the entry of a pathogens into a new area that is still free of pathogens or quarantine. And next, we'll read by my friends Irfan.
Eradication. Eradication is an effort to reduce, clean, and destroy inculum that already exist on land or plant that are source of inculum or make the inculum inactive, and if it is a living parasite cause plant suffering, it is called a pathogen. Next. Eradication can be done in the form of eradication of most of the affected plants are destroyed. Total eradication, all of the affected plants are destroyed, and super total eradication, all affected plants in a field are destroyed. This effort can be carried out by means of biological control, crop rotation, removal, and destruction of diseased plant, heat treatment and chemical treatment of diseased plant, and soil treatment.
Plant quarantine. Next. Plant quarantine is an effort to prohibit or officially limit the transportation of certain plant materials against the possibility of bringing in pests from an area or country that has the potential to damage plants in other regions or countries. Quarantine aims to prevent the spread and entry of plant pests and diseases by using the law, especially for pests and diseases that are spread through trade.
The type of quarantine carried out on the import of plant material with the risk of being eliminated domestically. The determination of disease quarantine is based on the nature of disease or how it spreads, the area of distribution, the possibility of entry without regulation, the development and loss incurred, as well as the effective of quarantine.
Control with technical culture. Pest control operated through a system or method of farming or technical culture that is common and appropriate by managing the environment in a preventive manner. Is carried out before a pest attack occurs with the aim that the pest population does not increase to exceed the control threshold and can monitor the presence of pests and disease on a regular basis.
Things that need to be considered in technical culture control are using land that does not contain pathogens, such as selecting new soil and crop rotation. In addition, must also pay attention to seeds that are free from pathogens, plant maintenance to prevent disease, fertilizing, weeding, adding organic matter.
The advantage of controlling engineering culture with the criteria for a good cropping pattern to suppress the emergence of the disease sector, minimize production costs, and maintain the balance of nature. While the shortcomings of controlling technical culture are, not all farmers are interested in applying the cropping pattern simultaneously, and according to the recommendations, it takes preference, and high discipline among farmers to apply the cropping patterns of technical culture.
Thank you. That's all from our group. If there is something you want to ask, you can go through further. Thank you.